Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zara Fadilosfa and my friend name is Rezi Ermelasari. So, we from the conversation class will practice a conversation and trip to the museum. Okay, Rezi, what is a museum?
Museum is an institution that function develop, maintain, exhibit, and communicate cultural heritage to the community.
Have you visited a museum? Which one?
Ever been? Museum Bustanul Arifin PDIKM.
What can you see in a museum?
Gazebo, traditional house, rangkaian souvenir shop.
Why do people go to museum?
Learn history, upgrade art, explore science and technology, talks cultural heritage.
What is your favorite thing in a museum?
My favorite thing in the museum is traditional house.
Are museums fun or boring?
Listen,
Do you like old things or new things in museums?
I like all things in museum.
How do you behave in a museum?
I behave politely at the museum and don't litter.
What do you learn in a museum?
Get to know the story of the founding of PDIKM, Minangkabau traditional cultural figure will play an important role in Minangkabau costume, story about traditional clothing.
Who works in a museum?
Kurator, museum educator, conservator, collection manager.
What is a exhibit?
An exhibition is an activity that is carried out by providing ideas and artists to the public through the medium of their artwork.
What are museum rules?
Don't touch the collection, don't text, picture, and random. Do not use selfie stick.
Can you talk things in a museum?
No officer allowed.
Are there museums in your city?
There is.
Can you describe about Museum Kelahiran Bung Hatta in Bukit Tinggi?
Of course, you can. Bung Hatta Birthday Museum was founded in 1860 at the address Jalan Soekarno-Hatta, number 37, Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, and this house use a wooden structure consisting of the main building pavilion. The main building function as receive guests, while the pavilion function as Bung Hatta bedroom. Bung Hatta house a historical place with its tourist destination in Bukit Tinggi.
Okay, thanks Rezi.
Yes. Okay, now it's my turn to ask Zahra. What is a museum?
Museum is an institution that functions to collect, preserve, and exhibit historical objects, art, and science.
Have you visited a museum like one?
Alright, at the Sawunto Train Museum.
What can you see in museum?
There I can see a miniature of my time, a locomotive that carries a carriage filled with new stone, as well as various ancient machines from the 19th century.
Why do people go to museum?
Somewhat to learn about the past, history, and broaden our horizon.
What is your favorite thing in museum?
The statue of Dr. Ingenieur W.J. Izerman. He is the pioneer of railway construction in West Sumatra.
Are museum fun or boring?
Museum can be fun depending on the museum visited and the activities done there.
Do you like old things or new things in museum?
I like all things or history.
How do you behave in a museum?
Do not touch objects in the museum. If there is a prohibition to touch them and do not litter.
What do you learn in museum?
Various things related to the history and development of railways in Indonesia.
Who work in museum?
Conservator, museum technical, stylist, visitor waiter, and staff involved in the museum.
What is exhibit?
Exhibition is an activity that is carried out by giving ideas from the artist to the public through the media of his artwork.
What are museum rules?
Not eating, drinking, and smoking, not touching the artwork, not running or noise, do not carry sharp weapons, and do not paint pets.
Can you touch things in museum?
It is not allowed to touch item in the museum carelessly unless there is a notice that it can be held.
Are there museum in your city?
There is one of which is the museum of the small house of Buya Ahmad Syafi'i Ma'arif.
Can you describe about museum kelahiran Bung Hatta in Bukit Tinggi?
Bung Hatta's birthplace is a house built as an effort to remember and get a picture of where Bung Hatta was born and spent his childhood until he was 11 years old.
Thank you, Zahra.
Welcome, Razia.